All right, let's look at our next problem. It says celebrity A has 400 followers on social media and is gaining 75 followers each day. Celebrity B has 1,000 followers on social media but is losing 25 followers each day. How many days will it take them to have the same number of followers? So let's go through and let's do our step number 1, which is we want to highlight some of the keywords. So what do we know? Celebrity A has 400 followers and they're gaining 75 followers each day. So I would think a very important keyword there would be the gaining. Gaining means that they're adding on. Okay? Now let's keep reading. Celebrity B has 1,000 followers on social media, but is losing 25 followers each day. So a key word there is the losing. Let me try to change my highlighting tool here. And losing means we're going to be taking some away or subtracting. So what are we actually looking for? What we want to do is we want to figure out how many days it will take for them to have the same number of followers. So the word same means equal. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out when will it happen where the number of celebrity A followers will equal the number of celebrity B followers. So let's figure out what our variables should be. X is going to stand for the thing that we don't know. So what don't we know? We don't know the number of days. So hopefully you said X can represent the number of days. What the number of days it'll take for them to have the same number of followers. We already answered the question that we're comparing celebrities A's followers to celebrity B's. And now let's see if we can make an equation with the information. So let's start with celebrity A. They have 400 and they are gaining, which means we're adding on, and it says 5 followers each day. So if X is the number of days, it would be 5 times however many days there are, or 5 times X, which we just write as 5X. Celebrity B, on the other hand, sorry, my pen is having trouble changing colors here. Celebrity B has 1,000 followers on social media, but is losing 25. So losing means we're going to take away, and it's not taking away 25, it's 25 each day, which we're calling X. So like in 1 day it would be 25, in 2 days it would be 2 times 25. So in X days it's 2 times X. I'm sorry, 25 each day. So in 25 days it's 25 times X, or just 25X. So here is my equation that I would use to solve this problem. 400 plus 5X equals 1,000 minus 25X.